In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your email on Honeybook, whether you're updating your contact information or switching to a new email provider. I'll make sure the process is as simple as possible. To get started, you'll want to log in to your Honeybook account. Once you're in, the first thing you'll do is look towards the navigation menu. Here, you'll find your profile photo or company logo, which is usually located at the top corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you should select the option labeled My Account. Now that you're in the My Account section, you'll see various fields related to your account details. Focus on the Account Info section, where you'll need to look for the email address field. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select Continue. This step sets the stage for making the email change you desire. Next, as a security measure, Honeybook will require you to complete two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA. This is an essential step to ensure that your account remains secure while you're making changes. When prompted, use your registered security phone number to complete this authentication process. This added layer of security helps protect your personal information, making sure that only you can make changes to your account settings. After you've successfully completed the two-factor authentication, it's time to finalize your email update. You'll be asked to enter your new login email. Take a moment to double-check that you've entered the correct email address, as this will be your new point of contact for all things Honeybook. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, go ahead and select Confirm. And that's it. The changes will save automatically, ensuring that your account information is up to date without any additional steps required on your part. It's always a good idea to log out and log back in with your new email to make sure everything is working smoothly. If you run into any issues, you can always reach out to Honeybook's support team for assistance. I hope this guide has made the process of changing your email on Honeybook clear and straightforward. Remember, keeping your contact information current is crucial for maintaining seamless communication within your network. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.